Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to create this makeup look using the new Morphe Jeffree Star palette. This is the Artistry palette and it's so beautiful. So yeah, this is what the palette looks like. It's super beautiful. I used a few shades in here like Mogul, Self-Made, Chanel, Millions, and Designer Labels. So I went ahead and used the shade Millions because it's so pretty. I feel like you can use it on so many different looks. It's so like glam and so out there. If you guys want to see the makeup look that I created using this palette, then just go ahead and keep on watching. Playing around with my settings, so hopefully everything's in focus. I've already created one eye, so I've clearly already done one eye, and this is the look that we're going for. It's just going to be something fun and different than I usually do because look at this baby. Like how I am just so excited. So initially I was gonna use like a light color on my lid, something very wearable, but I really wanted to play with this, and the color Millions was just like calling my name. I had to use it. So the first color we're gonna be going in is to Honest Truth. It is this shade here, this really pretty peachy shade. Okay, I'm just gonna apply onto this Wet n Wild blending brush and just take this in onto my crease. This is gonna be a transition shade just to lay down and to just really we just want this color popping out from all the darkness we're about to apply. All the brightness, I guess, not darkness. I already forgot one step. I actually went in with the shade Lynn, just a really nice like skin tone shade, and I'm going to use that as highlight onto a flat brush, almost like a flat fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna apply that as a highlight, popping it on the shade on the lid. Next, going in with another transition shade, I'm gonna go in with the shade Chanel. This shade here, it's just like a orangey peachy shade, and I'm just gonna apply that to that same brush, and I'm just gonna work it into the crease, just keeping that just a little bit lower than the previous color. Rotating in circular motions. Blending in circular motions is what I mean. There you go. Now we have our transition shade. Okay, next I'm going in with this like precision blending brush, and I have no idea what brush it is, but we're gonna be going in with a color that I don't remember what I did. I'm pretty sure I went into going in with this really pretty hot pink shade, and it is called Self-Made. I feel like I didn't even go in with that color. I think I did. I don't know. I'm just gonna pop a little because I'm pretty sure I did. And I'm just gonna work this in to the outer corner, kind of keeping it in a V formation. Yeah, definitely did go in with this shade. I can't believe I forgot. I'm horrible at doing like one eye and then doing the other because this is what happens. And I swear you only need like the tiniest amount because this palette is amazing, like super pigmented. Just gonna go all the way into the inner corner as well. Alright, now going in with the shade Mogul. I think that's how you say it. It's this one here. It's like a maroon, dark purpley pink. I don't know. And I'm sorry about the alarm, guys. I know, I should change it. Somebody commented on my video saying that that was annoying. I should really change it though. I'm honestly not 12 feet tall and my roof is like super high up there and that sucks. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with Boss Angeles. It's like a burnt orange type of shade, and I want to say I applied this into the crease as well, but I forgot. And so I'm just gonna kind of keep it on the same outer corner, but just working it right above the shade Mogul. What is Mogul? Can somebody explain? Like, I watched Jeffree Star and I don't know what that means. Maybe it's a car or some, I don't know. I probably sound so stupid right now. I'm just gonna go in with that same Wet n Wild brush and I'm just gonna blend everything, soften up all the edges. And next, going into Calabasas. It's a really like beautiful maroon shade, and I'm just gonna go in with the same brush. Just gonna start working that in. And the trick to blending is just repeating, just going in and blending out any harsh lines. Then you can just go in with a makeup remover wipe and just clean up any edges. Alright, next I'm going in with a little bit of concealer to cut the crease just a little bit. I'm just gonna apply some to the inner corner and look up. And this is really gonna help you see where you need to not go above, like, yeah. Then taking a little bit of Mogul, I'm just gonna darken up the outer corner here. I'm going in with the M408, and this is just like a real nice flat brush, and I'm gonna go into the shade Millions. This beautiful, beautiful gold. You do have to kind of press in there. Oh, I already forgot a step. I'm such a mess. I'm gonna go in with the shade Designer Label, this one here. And right now I kind of messed up, but I'm just gonna try to mix it in, that one here. So that is the shade that I first went in with. And then just go in and top. So if you do get a little messy, just get another brush and kind of flick it away from wherever you don't want the product. And I'm just gonna take a little bit of the Morphe spray. Next, I'm going in with the NYX matte liner, and I'm just gonna create a wing. Now I'm going to go in with some Maybelline Mega Plush Volume Mascara just to cover my lashes, and then I'm going to pop on a lash. Alright, while I'm waiting for the eyelash to get tacky, I'm going to go ahead and apply my moisturizer. This is the e.l.f. Glow Radiant Moisturizer. I'm just going to apply about one pump to my face. You just want to wait for your eyelash glue to get tacky for about 30 seconds. And then just pop it on. I'll try to remember which lashes these are. I know they're Ardell. Oh, they're like the new, I think they're either Kiss or Ardell. And they're the extension looking ones. I forget. But they are still beautiful. They're my favorite lashes right now. And then always I like to go in with my liquid eyeliner and just cover up as much glue as possible. I know it's never enough, but we can try. Moving into foundation, I'm going in with the Flower Beauty and the Maybelline Urban Cover, and I'm just gonna, this is the flower, it's like clearly lighter, and then I'm just gonna mix in a little bit of the other one, and it's darker, and I just mix the two, and we got my shade, kind of. Okay, I'm just gonna apply, and I did get, and I just dot it all over my face, or smudge it, whatever you want to call this that I'm doing. Okay, then I'm going to go in and take the Morphe sponge and just blend everything away. Do you guys apply eyeshadow first and brows, or do you usually do your face and then apply everything else? Let me know how you do your makeup in the comments below. Guys, I'm so excited because I'm going to be holding like a makeup seminar where you can come and I'm going to teach you how to do your full face of makeup. And I'm going to have a model that we're going to be, or I'm going to be applying all the makeup to. But you're going to be able to follow hands-on. You're going to get to take home all the makeup. The link will be in the description below if you're kind of in the area, if you want to come. I'll go ahead and leave the Eventbrite information just in case you guys want to. It's going to be fun. We're going to have some food and drinks and just have a fun time. Just girls being girls, you know. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. Not my favorite. Honestly, it's like really thick and I don't know. I'm just not a big fan, but I don't know. Trying to make it work, you know? But it's almost like too full coverage. So I'm just going to apply some down here. Like so. Nose, here, here, here. That looks sweet.
I feel like my foundation was just like a little bit too dark, so I'm just gonna help, you know, make everything even. So I'm just gonna add a dark concealer, I feel like. Really full coverage.
And then just going in with my Maybelline Shade 10 setting powder. I'm just gonna go ahead and set that real quick. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and cream contour using this MAC concealer palette. Looks like this. And first of all, to bronze, I'm gonna go in with this shade here. I'm not too sure what it's called. What shade is that? I don't know. It could be medium dark, light medium, medium. I think it's medium. A little bit of help. Okay, next going into, I'm guessing this is the medium dark. So it's medium dark. Just gonna add only up here. Ooh. And then I'm just gonna add the remainder like a tiny bit. And just a tiny bit on the nose here. And I'm also gonna take it underneath.
I feel like my brush is a little dry. I just go in and wet it again. Just blend, guys. Right.
So I look a little crazy, I look a little bronze, but honestly, that's just how I like to do my makeup. You don't have to go so harsh. Like, you can bring it down a notch, but this is what I like to do. Set everything using the Maybelline setting powder. And you might be thinking, like, why are you setting everything, all the darkness that you just added to your face? But I like to go ahead and set it, and then I still go over with like contouring powders. I know, crazy, but that's just the way I do it. Underneath the eyes. It works for me. That's how I like to do it. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with a bronzer. This is Tawny by Anastasia. I'm gonna go in with a huge brush, just lightly tap it, like just barely. I'm gonna bronze. Just pretty much everywhere that I contoured. And I'm gonna go with Anastasia in the shade Mahogany. This is like a really, really dark rich shade, so you've got to be careful. I'm gonna go in with the Luxie 512, just like barely dab it. This is more like a red brown, and it's fall, and it just feels like I can pull these colors off, kind of. You know what I'm saying? Next, I'm just gonna go back in with my powder and clean up the contour. And I'm just gonna dust it away. As you guys can see, like it really, okay, you can't see shit there, but if you guys can see, it really like helped clean up the line. It just makes it nice. It just gives you that. For blush, I'm gonna go in Close to Perfect. Just like a nice light shade, nothing too crazy. I'm gonna go in with this one by NARS. I forget the shade name. I really don't know. I'm gonna go in with a fan brush. Gives it like a really pretty glow. Up here on the forehead, on the center of my nose. And then finally setting everything with the Morphe setting spray. Moving on to the under eyes, I'm going to go in with the shade Boss Angels, or no, I'm gonna go in with Chanel and Model. This one, Chanel and what? Mogul? Mogul.
I'm gonna put that into like the more inner corner. I'm sorry, my eyes are red. I'm kind of tired.
And in the inner corners, I'm also going to be going in with that same NARS. Put that in. It's almost like a soft yellow cream shade. Alright, and to end this look, I'm going to go in and complete it with the Too Faced Chocolate Milkshake Gloss, or is it a lip gloss? Completed look. Alright guys, and that is the completed look. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you guys want to see another look using the same palette, let me know, because there's so much you can do with this. It's just so beautiful. So if you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so that you can watch more videos from me, and also hit the notification bell so that it notifies you every time I upload a new video. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in my next video. Bye.